everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my very first video of this channel, and what I'm about to show you is basically I'm going to be working on my car. That's the whole purpose of this channel. So I'm going to be documenting it, maintaining it, and doing some installation videos, and hopefully things work out really great. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have. So this right here is my 2008 Mazdaspeed 3. Sorry for the camera quality, but yeah, this is it right here. This is my 2008 Mazdaspeed 3. I've owned it for probably around like 6 years, I would say right now, and it's been doing fantastic. Like, it's absolutely incredible. Like maintenance, like nothing too crazy, just oil changes and that's about it, honestly. So the first thing that's very noticeable about this the speed right here is the wrap. So I actually did it myself. It's called the Teckwrap Aquamarine Chrome, or a Neochrome, and I've done it myself for probably like 27 days in my own garage. Because I didn't want to spend that money on taking it to a shop, because it was crazy pricey. They wanted, like, local shops wanted like around 11 to 12 grand, which was like absolutely mind-blowing, and I did the whole job myself for like less than $1,000. So I mean, it's not the greatest, but like I'm really happy with the results, and we'll see how that goes from there. But I am going to change it, because the color right now is fading a little bit, and that's because of the weather conditions in Florida is not that great, to be honest with you. So there is like some oxidations and like some cracks here and there, but I mean, overall I'm happy with it. And the color pops, like it changes colors from every single direction. So like right here in the shade is a totally different car. Like, it looks like a spaceship. I really like this side, and it's not too crazy. It's like, I would say I mean, like, just normal. But like when you go to this side, it blinds you. It's really awesome. I really like this one as well. So no matter what direction you go to, it just like changes the color and effectiveness of the wrap itself. And yeah, like this is how it looks like from the sun hitting it. It's super highlight like blue and highlight pink, and a lot of like little kids, they love this type of color, I guess. I mean, it's kind of addicting, not gonna lie. So I usually take it to like car shows or like car meets and have like a balloon theme with like my Disney characters, and they think it's like a Disney car or a Mario Kart, which I really enjoy when I see like little kids hanging around and like loving it. So yeah, so that's the first mod, I would say, you can talk about. The next thing you see is like the banner. I do have Lowglows, so there are underglow lights. So I'll go ahead and post like a small video just to show you like how it works. And I also did an installation video on how to do that as well. So I really want to like edit that and show you guys how the process works. Here's like a ferry. This is like the Mayport. You can actually pay for a good amount, I would say like $6-7, and they'll take your car to the other side of that city right there, which is pretty nice. I might do that like in a minute or so. Yeah, so we have the wrap, we have the Lowglows. Other exteriors mods I have done is the wheels and tires. These are called DPS wheels. They are actually replicas of the work Kiwamis or Work Emotions is one of them, and I got them for a really good price. I'll show you like through the sun. These are like super nice bronze, and it's a universal, so you can fit it on some of the vehicles. And this is an 18 by 8.5 plus 35, which is amazing because it sits like flush, I would say, so it's not too aggressive, but it's like right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, and I also have Federal 595s, which are the tires, and they are amazing, and they are 225/40 18s, so they are really nice tires. But I might change this because I've had them for quite a while, and probably get new ones in the future. I do have Racing Beat exhaust, which actually came with the car. It's not too aggressive. It's really like, it does have a really nice tone, I would say, so I like it. I don't have the downpipes upgraded yet, so maybe in the future I'll do a video on how to do that installation. And then I also have a Cobb rear motor mount, not a motor mount, but Cobb wiper delete, and this one is actually not bad. It just, you know, makes it flush, look at nice cleaner. And I have just like fake shark fins, I guess you can call them, and I wrapped also the sunroof in black. And yeah, I mean, I just did like small stuff here and there. I do have Mazdaspeed mud flaps. I got them on eBay. They were great. It makes it look like a rally car, which I like the way it looks like right now. And then I painted the grill and the fog lights in black with the Plasti Dip, because I didn't want to like paint it completely, and I want to like make sure like I peel it off and then I keep the color original. And the original color is white, so you can tell from the mirrors. And I'll make sure I'll open the hood for you guys and show you what I have. And yeah, so and the last thing I have is the eyelids, and these are amazing. I got it from a friend local here, and he gave it to me, and I put them on, and it actually makes it a little bit more aggressive, which is the way I like it. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the interior, which I don't have a lot of stuff going on. So this is how it looks like at the moment. Very stock, nothing at all going on right here. I just have the Cobb shift knob and the Eonon radio, which is amazing, but I really want to upgrade it to a better processor and has like more storage. It just has like, the newer ones has the version where it can let you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is the reason why I want to get that. And the stock GT models, they come in the Bose system and the Alcantara leather seats, which is fantastic. They are very comfortable, and there's a lot of Speed owners that has a Gen 2 Mazdaspeed 3. They swap their old seats with these, and that's the reason why they love it, because it's extremely comfortable. And then for the trunk, I don't have much going on. I just have like a mat, I would say, just to cover the rear seats and the trunk, so that way whenever I'm going to the beach, or you know, like moving some stuff like bicycles or futons, or even like groceries, I'll just keep them in there, and they are fantastic. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys some upgrades I have done to my engine bay. It's actually nothing too crazy, to be honest with you. Like, it's very small stuff, and very simple, and a lot of stuff I have done was very easy. So the first thing I have is actually the high pressure fuel pump internals, which actually sits somewhere around here underneath this cover. And then I also have the Cobb access port to make sure the car is running smoothly. And yeah, so I have the Cobb intake, and then I also have the Shore Motorsports boost tubes, which actually aren't that bad for these type of stuff. And yeah, here's the ferry right there going to the other side. So I also have done a restoration on the top mount intercooler cover. I really do like this color a lot. I've done it myself, and basically I wanted something to pop and not to be dull in the future. And this one is called the Prismatic Universe. So I've done it myself, and I'll probably do another video on how to do like a restoration on this kind of thing. And I want to do it on the battery cover as well. And I also have rear motor mounts and side motor mounts from CPE. So here it is right there. And the rear motor mount I have is a stage 2 rear motor mount from CPE. The other one sits somewhere around there. And I also have ISC Coilovers. So are they the nicest coilover you can get, or like how is the drivability? To be honest with you, not that great. I have done a lot of adjustments here and there for like ride height and dampening and so on and so forth, but honestly I have not enjoyed the ride quality on this suspension. And I do have the understanding of, like, you know, coilovers, they don't drive comfortable, but there are some coilovers out there that does let you drive comfortably, and I want to upgrade that to something else, to be honest with you. And this is how the ride height sits. It's not that bad, but it can probably go lower, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, this is about it for the engine bay. So yeah, pretty much high pressure fuel pump, intake, and a tune. And I also did an intake fuel pump, which sits on the rear of the car where you put your gas. And that one was not easy at all. Like, that one took me forever. It took me forever to do. And that one took me like at least 2 days, and I did a whole video on how to do that one as well. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be editing that one as well to show you guys how the process was. But yeah, this is about it. So I really want to do more stuff into this car. I really want to do a lot of editing and a lot of modifications. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, and I'm also going to be rewrapping the car as well to something else. So I want to do a different color. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know, show me like some support. You know, give me a like, give me a share, and we'll see how that goes. So thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time.